Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and location on both devices so Xender can create a direct link quickly. Open Xender, tap Send on the device with files and Receive on the other. Choose the file types, photos, videos, apps, or documents, and pick items until you see the selection count and total MB or GB. Once done, review file sizes so transfers don't stall. This avoids slowdowns and unexpected interruptions while you proceed to connection steps. You now connect devices, create a hotspot or let Xender use Wi-Fi direct, and accept connection prompts on each phone. Scan the QR code or tap the visible device name to pair. Make sure the icon and name match so you don't connect to the wrong device. Start the transfer and watch the speed and ETA. If a file shows a failed icon, pause other network activity and retry that file. Once connected, transfers are usually fast because they bypass the internet. You finish by waiting for the transfer complete message, then tap Done and close the connection to end hotspot or Wi-Fi direct. Verify received items in native apps, Gallery for images, File Manager for documents, and APK Installer for apps, so you know everything landed correctly. If something went wrong, reconnect and reselect the unfinished files, clear Xender cache, and restart both phones if transfers stall. This one troubleshooting tip usually fixes permissions, cache.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.